The American power grid is a ghost haunting a modern machine. Following the record-shattering heat waves of 2025, over 40% of our active high-voltage transformers suffered permanent insulation damage. We are now facing the 2026 energy crisis. As AI data centers surge, they've created a massive baseline load that our 1970s era copper infrastructure simply wasn't built to carry. We are now witnessing thermal runaway, a lethal feedback loop where heat builds faster than degraded cooling systems can dissipate it, melting the grid from the inside out. The Texas Interconnection Fracture. In Texas, the ERCOT grid is fracturing. At specific nodes, localized frequency imbalances are becoming impossible to synchronize during the morning ramp-up. The state is trapped in a supply chain nightmare. There is a critical shortage of 345 kV transformers, and with a 2-year lead time for replacements. A single physical failure isn't just a blackout, it's a permanent loss of power. But Texas isn't alone. Its isolation is merely a preview of the fragility in the East. The Mid-Atlantic Bottleneck, the PJM interconnection, the backbone of the Eastern Seaboard, is hitting a breaking point. Excessive power routing from the Midwest is causing dangerous line sag and physical cable degradation across the Mid-Atlantic. The Piedmont Link is the ultimate hidden vulnerability. A single substation failure here would trigger a cascading blackout across multiple states. With 2026 spring maintenance delayed, the East Coast is entering the summer with zero redundancy. The Western Intertie Collapse. Out west, the Pacific Intertie is losing the battle between massive solar surges and the rapid decommissioning of gas plants. We are seeing the frequency swing where mismatched voltage from renewable spikes physically vibrates turbine bearings until they shatter. Our grid was designed for a one-way flow of power. Forcing it to handle two-way volatility is causing a mechanical heart attack. The survival of the infrastructure. We are now in a last-ditch era. Engineers are deploying high-tech triage like dynamic line rating and cryogenic cooling to keep cables from snapping. But for the average person, the only way out is through localized microgrids and household battery backups to bypass the crumbling national backbone. This is the great reset of American energy. The question is no longer if the grid will fail, but what happens to the economy when the hum finally stops.